Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping. Remove the lid and any filters, put on gloves, and inspect where rust is concentrated so you can target it efficiently. Make a baking soda paste, about 2 tablespoons with a splash of water, and apply directly to rusty areas. This abrasively lifts corrosion without harming stainless steel. Use a nylon scrubber and firm pressure to work the paste in circular motions. Once the visible rust loosens, rinse briefly to assess progress and prepare for deeper treatment. Once done with the initial scrub, combine equal parts white vinegar and water and fill the kettle to cover remaining rust. Let it soak for 30 to 60 minutes so the acid dissolves iron oxides. For tougher spots, bring the solution to a gentle boil, then allow it to cool before you touch it. After soaking, use the nylon brush to scrub again, focusing on pits and seams. Make sure to avoid metal scouring pads that can scratch and promote future rusting. You finish by rinsing the kettle thoroughly, then boil plain water to evaporate any leftover cleaning agents. Cool and dry immediately with a soft cloth to prevent new rust. Apply a light coat of olive oil or a dedicated stainless polish to interior spots and exterior surfaces to repel moisture. Buff until it shines. If small pits remain, carefully rub with very fine 0000 steel wool only on the spot, then re-rinse and dry. If corrosion is deep, consider replacing the kettle to avoid contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.